Hey everyone, in today's iPhone video, I want to show you how to use Instant Notes. So it's basically the note app that you have right here on the top, but it's inside of your command center so you could quickly turn it on and take notes. Right now it's not on, so I'm going to show you how to turn it on first, then I'll show you how to use it. In order to turn it on, we'll need to go to the settings app of the phone, and we need to do two things. One is we need to activate it. So go to the control center here, select control center and press customize controls, and we want to basically look for the apps called notes, and right here it's on the bottom, so I need to press the plus sign to bring it here to the top. And I could change the order, so if I use this very much, I could grab the three lines on the right and I could move this up closer to the top right as the second item here. That's all I have to do here. Let me press back and go back to settings because we need to change one more thing. We need to slide down and go to the notes settings here, the notes app settings. And if you slide all the way down here, there's an option called access notes from lock screen. Press that. And here we basically want to leave this to always create a new note instead of resuming our last note. This time, every time we access this, we're going to get a new note. So I'm going to close this application here and let's now access it. On the top right, go ahead and slide down to get the command center here. And you could see the second item now that I have is the note icon. Press that. And just like that, it brings me into a new note. So this is a new note. And I could go ahead and add the note here and press done. And it will be saved into my notes app. So anytime I could press the notes app right on top and get back to that note. But in order to create it, I could always quickly create it from the customized menu that I have here on the control center. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.